Today, I'm going to show you how to upload files to ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to share documents, images, screenshots, or multiple files at once, so ChatGPT can help analyze, summarize, or answer questions based on what you upload. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the plus icon near the message box. This is where you can add content to your chat. Now click on the plus button. A menu will appear with different upload options. From that list, select Add Photos and Files. This is the option you need if you want to upload images, documents, PDFs, or other supported files into ChatGPT. After that, your device's file browser will open. Browse to the file you want to upload and click on it. If you only need to upload one file, you can simply select it and continue. But if you want to upload multiple files at the same time, hold down the Ctrl key while clicking each file you want to include. This lets you choose several files before uploading them together. Once you've selected everything you need, confirm the upload. ChatGPT will begin attaching your files to the conversation, and after that, you can ask your question or request analysis right in the chat. For example, you can ask it to summarize a document, compare files, extract details, or explain what's inside an image. If you don't see the upload option, make sure you're using a version of ChatGPT that supports file uploads and that your account has access to that feature. Also, keep in mind that supported file types may vary depending on the device or platform you're using. And that's it. That's how you upload files to ChatGPT. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the plus button is, the process becomes very easy. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.